Hello guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. Today we are going to do a love reading for Sagittarians. Let's see what's happening in their love life and what's gonna happen for the rest of the October month. So we are going to do a quick update for what's happening for Sagittarians in their love life in the month of October, or currently what's happening. Let's see what we will be picking up. Okay, so let's start. What's happening for Sagittarius in their love life? Okay, the first card we have got is of the fire sign itself. It is the Knight of Wands, so Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. The next card we have is the Fool, Aries energy. So you might be dealing with another fire sign, maybe an Aries. What more do we have? The Hermit, Ace of Swords, King of Cups, water sign, air sign, earth sign. Okay, Page of Wands, fire sign. Okay, so Sagittarians, let's also see what's coming up from the oracles for you guys. It's coming up for Sagittarians. The first card we have is the Change Your Focus. Let's see what more do we have. We want 3 cards in total. In total we need the next card we have is the Flow. Change your focus, flow, and the last card we have is please, what do we have for Sagittarians for the month of dreams coming true? Okay, I hope you can see all the cards. Let me arrange them so you can see all the cards here. Okay, so Sagittarians, what I see here is you might, first I'll tell you all the signs again. You might be dealing with another air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, another fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag. You might be also dealing with the Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or with the Virgo specifically. Okay, so for the rest of the month of October, Sagittarians, you need to really change your focus. What you're perceiving in anything in your life is not worth your attention. Maybe you are perceiving something from a very wrong perspective overall. Okay, and I really need to you really need to focus on things that matter, on things that you really need to prioritize. Okay, you need to really change your focus. You're not focusing on things that are important, things that matter. You're focusing on something that is really not needed. So change your focus, change your perception. Maybe you're not focusing on yourself. You're more focused on the people around you, on the outside world, and you need to bring back that focus onto yourself. Okay, or maybe you have some belief regarding to some person or anyone in your life, and you need to reassess. Is this really what this person is all about? There's nothing good to that. There's nothing more to that. So that is what needs to be done. You need to really change your focus. And also what I'm saying here is maybe you are keeping yourself very stuck in a particular situation. Just let yourself flow. Don't let anything keep you away from what you really need to achieve in your life or the people around you. You really need to let loose. Don't hold on to anything. Just let go with the flow. Let everything flow naturally. Let everything unfold naturally. Okay, so the major things about you coming up for the month of October is for you to change your perception, change how you look at people around you, how you look at the situations around you, and most importantly, how you look at yourself. Do you really admire? Do you really respect yourself? Do you really prioritize things according to your needs and your perspective? Okay, so that's what you really need to understand for the month of October. Okay, your focus needs to be on yourself too. Okay, you really don't need to hold anything or anyone in your life. Just go with the flow. Just let everything unfold naturally. Don't try to be forceful. Don't try to be impulsive about anyone or anything. Let things unfold naturally. Sagittarians, you're going to be very passionate and very fiery, as in you are a fire sign, and you will be very passionate this month. I'm also seeing some of your wishes are going to come true, because this is what we have here, dreams coming true. Your wishes are going to get fulfilled in the month of October. Some of your wishes are going to get fulfilled, and you're going to gain this insight and this clarity. With this Hermit card, I'm seeing you taking time for yourself, reassessing, bringing focus onto yourself, and you are gaining wisdom and light and like you will just shine throughout the month of October, okay, with the people around you, like with your loved one or your partner. I think you have made some sort of belief regarding to some people in your life, and that's you really need to understand that people change, situation change, and you don't have to have a specific belief about anyone in your life, okay. Let that change with time. As the people changes around you, as the situation changes, you have to change your perception, okay. And you will have this realization like very deep. You will have this insight of, you know, that things need to be like, your perception needs to be changed. You will be looking at the brighter side of the picture. You are looking at the bigger side of the picture, and you're going to be very optimistic, be very positive in this rest of the month of October. You're going to look forward. You're going to make you will want to make things right with your person, and maybe the person you're dealing with you're not going to be as much emotional or sensitive about them, okay. You're going to be very casual, and you're not going to expect much out of them, okay. What you really need to do is expect out of you, not of anyone around you, be it your loved ones or be it with anyone, okay. I'm also seeing you becoming a lot carefree, okay, and taking things very lightly, not taking things very seriously, and just chilling around and having fun, okay. What I also see here is someone in your life is going to express how they feel for you. I think from a very long time, maybe someone was not expressing much, and now in the month of October you might be experiencing it, or maybe you will experience in the coming days that someone is showing interest in you, or maybe someone is developing interest in you, okay. And they will finally come forward and express how they really feel for you, okay. But be aware that this person can be a little wishy-washy, or maybe having a player energy. So please analyze people around you, how they are, don't look at them through an old perspective. Please readjust your perspective and take a note of how they behave with you, how their behavior has changed over time, what they think about you and what not, okay. And that will really help you. Don't take anything so seriously. Let things fold unnaturally. I already told you that. I'm seeing a new beginning with someone in your life. Maybe this was a past person, or maybe for some of you it's going to be a brand new person in your life whom you will give chance and start with them. You will start a new brand love relationship with someone, okay. So that's what I'm getting for you, Sagittarians. Not much. Beautiful. Just be very focused on how you treat people around you, what belief systems you have for them. Are you very are you adjusting and reassessing people around you? You really need to do that, okay. Someone from your past is going to come back, but be aware, is this not are they not coming back with same old energy, okay. Yeah, that's what's happening. So if you like the video, please hit the like button, Sagittarians, and I'll be coming up with a bonus reading for you all. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. See you in the next video.